What's up, YouTubers? Ken here from the Dyslexic Investor, and we are going to be looking at a couple great stocks today. But first and foremost, we're going to be looking at the S&P 500. This is a 15-minute chart, and it's like 5 days. So the big gray areas is the out of the market, meaning the after 4 p.m. ish, the normal market hours, and then before 9:30. So that whole gap nighttime area. And you can kind of see here, this past Monday, we broke above this line, which was a previous Fibonacci extension, and it tested it twice, and then it opened up, and it has literally been going down since that day, kind of slowly bottomed out here in the short term here. And then with the great news from Microsoft and a couple other partners, not CSX, not United Rentals, more consumer-based stuff, and a lot of bank stocks, it's pushing the S&P 500 higher. Still not to the levels of 3022, which would be like to see that tomorrow. If again, it has to close above this for me to potentially get long again. and it's because it could be just a 3 tap, and then we come down from there, which is hopefully not the understanding. All right, so let's look at Microsoft, and they did have earnings today. Let's go style show corporate earnings. Okay, you can see here they beat what is that, about 13-14 cents. They did fantastic. Their cloud service is growing. Their revenue is expanding. Their Microsoft, they're not relying on the Microsoft Word software anymore. Their Azure business is taking off, and it's competing with AWS, because there's a lot of people who don't want to jump into AWS because they're afraid that Amazon will steal their information and use it against them. So let's just do a quick little breakdown of we're just to the trading day today. So it opened up flat. We kind of had a sell-off into like almost noonish, and then from noon it kind of bottomed out and slowly made its way higher. And from that point on, Microsoft announced, and it went basically, it's up like $5 now, so 140. So let's go look at a little bit of a larger time frame, what that actually looks like here. So basically, right now it's trading slightly above all-time highs. We have to wait for it to go live and be actually trading to get the new high there. I could see that easily climbing higher from there. We can kind of predict where it might go by doing these Fibonacci retracements. Let's do, yes, I'm projecting most likely Amazon or Microsoft will go to like 141. So let's do this. Let me hide you, hide this. So go ahead and check out my Instagram. I will post about this in the morning and see how it opens up from here. These would be very interesting levels to see if it can kind of slightly go above the former all-time high and then break out. And I want to see where it might lose steam, because that could be a reversion back down. Speaking of reversion, you can kind of see it here on the daily chart, like the run up to the earnings play of just literally a month ago. We had that sell-off. It didn't really go completely to the yellow line, which I like it to happen. Kind of worked its way up and then make its way back down the yellow line, closing above the yellow line, which is a very bullish candlestick here of this little wick here pointing down and green all the way up, signifying a propulsion jump. And it's a lot of buying, a lot of support in this to be able to push higher. You can kind of see these little small wick candles, and then from that point on it just rides up. You can see it very much here on this one, where it's like literally there is no tippy top, meaning it closed out at the highs of the day, and it just kind of goes up higher. These are Very, very bullish candles. This one kind of went flat, but that was due to other shenanigans there. I hope this helps. This was my analysis of the Microsoft earnings. Give a little round of applause to Satya Nadella and the team over there. Keep kicking numbers, doing great stuff. Yeah, I want to see how it opens up tomorrow. Hopefully it breaks above 141, and we'll just go from there. Again, guys, don't forget, have a trading plan, execute the trading plan, stick to the plan, and have a great day. This is Ken signing off. Peace.